Tiger Day, it is an international Tiger Day, so it is celebrated globally. It has been earlier in 2010 in Russia it was started. So all the tiger countries, wherever tiger is there, all these countries have decided to celebrate Global Tiger Day. The main objective, मुख्य उद्देश्य వచ్చేసి we have to conserve and protect tiger and we have to increase the awareness regarding tiger. Next, why tiger conservation is important? ఎందుకు tiger conservation important ఉంది? The first reason is that tiger is the apex predator. Tiger వచ్చేసి మెయిన్ జంతు మన అడవిలో. టైగర్ సేఫ్ ఉంది అంటే ఇఫ్ టైగర్ ఇస్ సేఫ్ ఆల్ అదర్ అనిమల్స్ ఆర్ సేఫ్. సో ఇది మాత్రం టైగర్ కోసం లేదు, ఇది టైగర్ అంటే ఒక సింబల్ ఉంది. టైగర్ ఇస్ ఎ సింబల్ ఫర్ ద టోటల్ ఫారెస్ట్, టోటల్ ఆల్ అదర్ అనిమల్స్. సో ఇఫ్ టైగర్ ఇస్ సేఫ్ మీన్స్ ఆల్ అదర్ అనిమల్స్ ఆర్ సేఫ్. దట్ ఈస్ వై వీఆర్ ప్రొటెక్టింగ్ ద టైగర్. Second is this tiger conservation and protection is not for the forest department, not for the forest, it is for the public only. Because if our forests are safe, that means tiger is safe. If tiger is safe means forests are safe. If forests are safe means we will get our rivers will have water. మన ఈ అడవి సేఫ్ ఉందా అంటే మన రివర్స్లో కూడా వాటర్ ఉన్నాయి. ఎందుకంటే అన్ని రివర్స్ మొత్తం ఇండియా కంట్రీలో అన్ని రివర్స్ ఫారెస్ట్ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ వస్తాయి. If our forest safe ante all rivers are safe. All rivers are safe ante water security, water no problem. If water is no problem, that means our future is secure. Without water రాకపోతే కష్టం, our human existence is difficult. So ఇది అయితే long term this tiger is related to forest, forest is related to water and everything is related to public. So this global tiger day is very important because we have to understand that it is for human only. It is not for tiger, it is for human only. We have to conserve and protect tiger for humans. One point, because tigers are also our cohabitants. Cohabitants అంటే ఈ మన అర్త్ ప్లానెట్లో జస్ట్ మనము హ్యూమన్ ఒక ప్రజాతి, వేరే జంతు ప్రజాతి కూడా వాళ్ళది రైట్ కూడా ఉన్నాయి. ఈ అర్త్ను హ్యాబిట్ చేయడానికి వాళ్ళ రైట్ కూడా ఉన్నాయి. సో సిమిలర్ టు హ్యూమన్ టైగర్ ఆల్సో హ్యావ్ రైట్. యానిమల్స్, ఆల్ యానిమల్స్ ఆల్సో హ్యావ్ రైట్. సో tiger ante superior, tiger is no species is superior. So similar to human, we have to tigers and other wild animals also have to space on this earth, so they also have to exist. So that is the thing we have to understand and we have to protect our forest. Then through media, through me ద్వారా అది ఒక రిక్వెస్ట్ ఉంది, సపోజ్ పబ్లిక్కి, that public, without public participation, forest conservation, forest protection is not possible. Public participation must for forest conservation, forest protection. For that, I request that our Nandyal division is a very rich division. It is having very good forest area. It is having very good biodiversity. Tiger it is there. So it is a matter of pride for our Nandyal. So I request that the public to pledge, pledge request the local public that to protect the forest of the Nandyal, they will do everything. That is my request. If to plant trees, to increase awareness, to increase awareness to the children's, to increase awareness, knowledge about the nature, animals. So everything they have to, I request that through media, that public should participate, cooperate with the forest department. They should understand the working of the forest department, about forest, the richness of the Nandyal forest. With that only we will be able to perform our duty better. That will help forest department only in performing our duty better. So that is my request to the public also. And finally, the day we have to celebrate every year, but it is not a one day function. We have to, throughout the year, we have to remember that forests are very important, and every day we must do every effort for trees, plants, animals and forest. Thank you very much.
How many